Please give me a fair shot. Don't follow me.
Everybody, on his ass.
Okay, this is the start of the
Haven't even deleted this thing.
holiday games. This is the light mixer now. We are at the 2-minute mark for people to run around and find a place to start. Okay, everybody, you have 1 minute and 30 seconds left to move to a new location. Please remember, you are not to shoot Sonic Rainbow or Manny in the Inner Sphere assaults. They are not valid targets.
I'm not a rainbow.
It's a rainbow. You know, like that thing. What's that pony? Rainbow.
It's
Rainbow
a
Dash
unicorn
does.
fart.
Little pony.
It's a unicorn fart. It breaks the sound barrier.
Mego power.
"25 seconds left. Ten, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You can shoot them now.
Oops.
Ouch, Shadox. It looks like it hurts. Everybody's so far away. I agree.
I woof 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 too.
We got the bacon.
That was a well-fought Skycat.
Yeah, not really. I didn't twist enough. That's okay. I'm fighting a headache anyway, so it was a good match.
Uh-oh.
Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh
Oh,
no. Oh
Oh,
no.
no, you didn't.
Oh no. Oh no, you didn't. God damn. They're conceiving. Leave me alone. I'm just a poor boy.
This is for family. Easy come, easy go.
I made
Let
a
you
very
go.
mistake
let
there.
it go.
Yeah, too many cheaters on my team.
No,
I was hoping my first target would not be a cheetah.
That's why I launched that UAV. So I could find you.
There's people hiding.
Naughty boys go to the edge of the map and hide.
Should have went with the plan I had, which was
Me too.
dirty. I had this really, like, dirty plan of just going up to a corner and shutting down.
That's what I did, and they all followed me.
You can see your own team, so.
I thought about it, but I didn't
Ooh,
want to be that
Bravo,
guy.
your legs are looking really bad. It would be a shame if an arty strike came and tore them off.
Fuck me running.
You little.
Clever girl.
Oh boy. I appreciate it when real free-for-all comes out. My friends can't follow me. Damn it, I have no more guns.
Good shot.
Yeah, I should have taught Nova.
Oh, it's on.
Not bad.
User in your channel timed out.
Hey, where are you going? Come back here. I'm not done with you. Get back here, Rauken.
You had much luck, Reaper, that I overheated. And I was until bounds.
Damn it. Nice try, Executor.
Calm down, Reaperman. I know you're there.
You have full atlas, fuck you.
Calm down, don't hide.
No, you have full atlas there, fuck you.
No, the Atlas doesn't count. He's the
User
spotter.
joined your channel.
He's just camping there, you know.
The Atlas is a judge. He won't shoot.
Come on,
Come
Sand.
down from that
I know you
little
want it.
Yeah, I don't believe he's judge.
The assault mechs are not allowed to fight you. You are not allowed to shoot the assault mechs.
I think it looks pretty even on both sides.
That moment when I noticed almost all of us Novas had the exact same build.
Yeah, it's a solid 5 minutes into the fight. More than halfway through.
I can't reach you there.
I don't know
Is he still up there?
Echo, that is quite cruel.
I know it's very cruel.
What did Echo do?
He's still online. And I thought about doing that, but I'm too big.
That's what she said.
Coward.
Come on, Sudan, you can do it. Kill the Storm Crow, or kill Righteous first.
Yes, righteous, mister. I'm going to stay up on the top of a damn building like a coward.
Hey man, he's just playing smart.
I know, playing smart.
He's jumping all over freaking buildings.
Oh.
I'm being called. So, fuck. I can't do any of this because now I'm being called. Of course. I think I've only shot friendly people.
Yeah, me too for now.
weapons.
Damn you, right?
I knew Righteous was gonna do this.
Just Righteous, Ascendant, Creel, Everista, and Echo are remaining. There is 11 minutes and 10 seconds left in this match.
Hey Manny, let's go to Echo 5. Or let's try to shoot each other once they end so we can finish out the match. Come on, there's only 4 of you left. You can do it! Okay, 3.
Oh.
On
I
Righteous
got
versus
bridge
who?
bone.
Righteous, Creel, and Echo remain.
Thanks for the payback there, Righteous.
User joined your channel.
Is Echo free for a moment?
Echo's a little busy at the moment. At
is occupied at the moment.
at the tone, please record your message.
You're gonna have a PM.
User left your channel.
Post masturbation, side room.
Are we allowed table talk?
Voice table talk.
If you wish.
Righteous Dude, literally right behind you. Oh, my
Hey,
God.
Manny, wait. Don't shoot first. Let them finish the match.
Yeah, they're not done yet, guys.
Nope.
This is
Come on,
pretty
you guys
hilarious
have,
watching.
there's people waiting and one hunting.
Just you guys gonna have to get through this fight. It's interesting because Creo and Echo can see each other, but Righteous is the odd person out.
Yeah, and as soon as they can see it,
Righteous,
don't
go,
want to
literally
move.
go down. Down. Just go down. Just save yourself some time. Go down. Like,
That's-
literally. Hi! Hi, guys!
You're a bad person, you know that?
Oh,
Wow,
there you
that is
go.
a really cool machine, Righteous. I did not know you ran that cool.
I'll remember that.
Oh no, these Novas don't heat up at all.
Yeah, the 12 small Nova is like ice cold.
I was just
Unless you're
annoyed.
stupid like me and Alpha.
No,
they
yeah,
are
no,
ice
that.
cold. They legged me and left me. Rauken, you didn't finish the job.
Well,
I-
I figured that may
rule of
Arctic cheat is someone might kill you.
I
And
jumped
they did.
righteous early on, but I accidentally hit both buttons instead of one.
It's just down to Echo versus Righteous.
Come on, you
Place
goose.
your
Do
bets
it.
now.
So me and Manny can shoot each other.
Go for his legs.
Oh, this is close.
Oh!
That was unfortunate.
You can do it. Come on, Righteous. You can do it.
Legs.
And Righteous is one. He is the last person standing.
Oh, freaking Grim was right. Okay, now we can shoot each other.
Yes,
Alright,
Sonic
yeah,
and Manny,
listeners.
please end the match.
Leak it out.
Am I overheating?
You're Righteous. You might want to come over here and shoot Manny a little bit as well.
I think he spontaneously combusted himself. No, they...
User joined your channel.
Up, center torso now.
Oh, man, he wins.
Now all they have to do is wait for the assault mechs to finish each other off, and we are done with Righteous, the winner of this light mixer.
Wait, I thought I won.
Nice job, Righteous.
Yes, congratulations, Righteous.
I will fight.
You had my heart pumping there. I was hoping to get up and get around you and hope choreo from
Okay.
behind, but
All that team.
Very well done.